Now today I'm in the heart of the Zimbabwean lowveld, and it's been the dry season, it's been winter, and as you can see it's full of dead leaf litter, the remnants of winter. About 4 weeks ago the rainy season started, the first thunderstorms arrived, and already an explosion of extreme colour is occurring in between this monotonous landscape. And the plant next to me here, probably one of the world's most famous bulbous plants when it comes to commercial use in its natural habitat right here in Zimbabwe, is Skudoxus multiflorus. Now doxus meaning quite amazing, and multiflorus meaning loads of flowers. So it's an amazing display of a lot of flowers. Now Skudoxus multiflorus has quite a few species in the genus, and quite a few growing here in Zimbabwe, but this one is the most widespread, occurring from South Africa right through all the way up to Yemen, and it's been naturalized in a few other countries like Mexico as well. The flowers are very rich in nectar, so your hummingbirds and a lot of beetles love congregating in the groups of multiflorous flowers. The plants are quite poisonous and could be very lethal to cattle, sheep or antelope when eaten. But parts of the plant has been used in human medicinal activities throughout the ages. It's been used to allay coughs, stomach ailments, and also when it comes in conjunction with other herbal plants to help with safe labor. Now the plant grows quite slowly. It takes from seed to maturity about 4 to 5 years to flower. But after that it multiplies quite quickly and you have a mass of flowers each season. This plant, because of its extreme beauty, have been cultivated for a long time, and it started out in Holland in the early 18th century, where the first commercial cultivation of Skudoxus multiflorus has taken place. Common names of this plant is called the paintbrush, or fireball, or it's also called the Catherine wheel, and it's just such an easy plant to grow. It's got one or two little natural enemies that you have to look out for, and the most foremost enemy that can destroy your plant is the lilyworm, or lily borer, which you would find in your clivias and some of the other bulbs. That's the only thing really to look out for. They do like a little bit more water, but please remember it needs to be in a well-drained area. That's why they love the rocky outcrops, because the water drains very quickly in between the rock sheets, but still retains enough moisture underneath this leaf litter for healthy growth. Now Skudoxus multiflorus is deciduous, so in winter the whole plant disappears underground, stores all the nutrition and water in the bulb, which is about 10 centimeters in width, and then in summer, after the early rains like now, it just explodes out of the ground to be first before all the other bulbs and plants start flowering, so that the hungry insects and hummingbirds can see it and quickly pollinate the flowers. Great one to see here, up in its natural habitat, Skudoxus multiflorus.